Early this year, there was rumor that Apple plans to drop support for the iPhone 11 series, which were released in 2019. That would mean those phones with the iPhone 11, 11 Pro, and 11 Pro Max would lose support for the additional iOS update. However, with this afternoon WWDC 2026 keynote, Apple surprised many by iOS 11, iPhone 11 getting the iOS 27 update. Set to reiterate, iPhone model from the iPhone 11 series will be updated in September and receive the stable version of iOS 27. These models will also be able to install the iOS 27 developer beta as soon as today. Another model, iPhone SE2, was rumored to be losing support. Will now get iOS 27 update. To make matter easier to remember, if your iPhone received iOS 26, it will also get iOS 27. Last year, Apple dropped support for the iPhone XS, iPhone XS Max, and iPhone XR. They were powered by Apple A12 Bionic processor. With iOS 27, Apple has improved CPU scheduler, which should help older iPhones such as iPhone 11 feel more responsive. iOS 27 will also open 30% faster with 80% faster AirDrop file transfers. Even though your iPhone is getting iOS 27, doesn't mean you'll get all the features. Apple Intelligence will require no less than 8 GB of RAM. Siri AI, as what Apple calls a new updated Siri, will be available on iPhone 15 and Plus. These include iPhone Air, iPhone 16e, and iPhone 17e.